Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody's doing well. We're starting today's walk from this little park right here between Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, the National Assembly building, and Sofia University, which is just behind the trees. So yeah guys, sorry I've been away for some time. Needed a little break. Also working on the merch store, which is going to be coming out very soon. Hopefully you guys like the merchandise. Also had some issues with the YouTube monetization. But yeah, aside from that, everything's pretty cool. Also, and it's been really hot. Yeah, sadly, summer is really hot in Sofia. Today's going to be about 38 degrees. Right now it's like 9:30 in the morning and it's already 27 degrees. So I'm going to try to avoid the sun and work my way along the busy streets in the morning rush hour. As you can see, it's very congested. And it's not even actually rush hour anymore, but nowadays in like Sofia, rush hour is like any time from like 7:30 in the morning up to maybe like 2 in the afternoon. Well, to be honest, it's basically congested all the time. You have the National Library on our right. There it is. You may have seen some of the photos already in my Instagram or Facebook. Yeah, it's actually very hot in the sun. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't overheat too quickly, but we'll see. I'm giving it around maybe 15 minutes before it overheats, but we'll see. So I'm still trying to decide exactly which road to take, because obviously it's a bit way too hot, so I'm going to try and stay in the shade. Taxi guy waiting for me, very nice of him. And it's way too noisy with all these cars everywhere. But I guess it's like every big city, a lot of traffic, especially on weekdays. But we'll see. Got some nice people smiling at me already in the morning. I'm always happy to see people smiling. Especially in the morning, especially if they're going to work. You hardly ever see anybody smiling when they're going to work. Some sort of building here. Not sure what it is. Oh, National Gallery. Okay. It's part of the Ministry of Culture. Interesting. And this right here, on this roundabout, is the monument of Vasilevsky. He's one of the biggest heroes in Bulgaria. He fought against the Ottomans. Sadly, he was captured and murdered by them. But again, like every hero, like every national hero, there's always a story that he managed to survive. We cannot be exactly sure. But you know, I tend to believe that he did survive, so who knows. Let's cross over to the other side. Let's hope the cars will stop for me. I think they will. And this is the Hyatt Regency Hotel. which is a newly built hotel. I think it was built like maybe a year ago, maybe two, who knows. Okay, people actually stopping in the crosswalks. Again, even though in Bulgaria in general people do stop at a crosswalk, always look. You know, it's better to be safe than sorry. Make sure you don't get run over. Yeah, it's insanely busy. And the sad part is there's no shade anywhere. But I need to find some shade. We got some police people here guarding the city. Not bad, not bad. So yeah, not sure if this hotel is nice. Looks nice on the outside. Can't really tell you about the rooms. I'm presuming it's a nice hotel. But again, we do have like 4- and 5-star hotels in Sofia, and for me personally, I wouldn't give them 4 or 5 stars. But you know, that's just me. So we have an embassy here. I think this is the Slovenian or Slovakian embassy. So yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, I apologize to if anybody from Slovenia or Slovakia is watching. I don't know the flag of every country. I know most, but some of them look exactly the same as the others. So like if you put down, well yeah, Serbia, Slovenia, Slovakia, exactly the same colors, just the actual crest inside the flag is different. So unless you recognize the crest, then yeah, it's a little bit difficult to tell which country it is, at least for me. That's right guys, don't pick the same color flags. Change it up a little bit. If you used to be part of another country, or like these old countries used to be part of Yugoslavia, pick like some green or some pink or something. Pick a different color. What do we have here? We have a park. Maybe I'll go through the park because it is quite sunny. I'm actually surprised there's so many people out. It's a weekday. It's what is it? I have no idea what day it is. I think it's a Tuesday. It's almost 20 to 10 and there's so many people out. I guess most people don't work, or maybe they work shift work, maybe they start later on during the day. Yeah, but in general, yeah, I'm surprised there's so many people. And as you can tell, I'm alone today, so I'm talking to myself while walking. Well, I'm actually talking to you guys, but yeah. So I'm getting some looks sometimes from people. But I have headphones on, so I guess people must think I'm talking to somebody on the phone, not just to myself. So we have MG Tennis Club right here, and it's established in 2018. And this is an indoor, and obviously this is outdoor tennis courts as well. Little doggy. Good stuff. I'm actually going to try and do some drone work as well today. But obviously depending on the wind, because it's a little windy right now. And obviously at 100 meters or 120 meters, which is the actual allowed flight height, let's say, in Sofia, it's going to be a lot more windy. So let's go take a little detour over here. Maybe go through the center of the park. And by the way, guys, I have a question for all of you, or any of you who are also YouTubers or maybe have experience in design. What is the best software to use to edit a video? Right now I'm using Power Director and Photo Director for my image editing. They're both pretty good. I'm very happy with the outcome so far. Obviously I'm still learning and getting some new techniques. I created a few color LUTs yesterday, which I'm going to be trying out on this video, which is going to be coming out today. Yeah, so let me know what you think. Which ones are best? Obviously I know we're going to say Premiere Pro. Most professional people use that. But like I said, I'm not really... what is this? It looks like a big chair. Oh, it's in the form of an eagle. And obviously somebody had to do graffiti on it with the anarchy sign. But it looks pretty cool. And we have some fountains. Let's have a look. Nice. So this is like the heart of the park. Looks okay, looks pretty chill. So no swimming or dogs allowed. And we have some council workers painting the benches. Good to see that they're actually maintaining a little bit of the benches. But this bench was actually made like this. Why would you make a bench like this? Interesting. I understand art, but maybe art is just a little bit impractical. Then we have some benches with some huge stones. Looks pretty cool. Some ping pong tables. Yeah, you're gonna see that a lot. Every park in Bulgaria, well, not all, but most parks in Bulgaria have ping pong tables. Obviously somebody broke that one. This one's doing okay still. And also, guys, let me know in the comments which city you would like to see in Bulgaria. Let's say you're planning a trip to Bulgaria. Let me know where you're going, if I haven't covered it already. Or if you want to see other parts of a city I've already covered, let me know. I'll do a video. I think my next stop, I think this Saturday, I'm going to Bulgaria, which is a lovely small town. I'm going to do some drone work there, obviously some walking videos. Because I think most of you enjoy the walking videos more than the drone work. A lot of elderly people walking around, probably going for their morning walk, chill out in the park a little bit. See, I think that's one of the nice things about getting old. You don't have to go to work, which is quite nice. You can just go out in the morning in your own time, grab a coffee somewhere, then go out. Meet up with your old buddies, talk about what happened 50, 60 years ago. So what do we have here? I think they're rebuilding something here. What could it be? I have no idea. I think a theater. I think they're rebuilding a theater, which is quite cool. People getting ready to do their morning jogging. Oh yeah, let's jump out of the park and go into the busy sidewalks and let's see what's happening. It's very relaxing to see like everybody just walking around. I don't see anybody rushing or running somewhere. And yes, this building right here that they're actually rebuilding is Theater Sofia. Nice. But yeah, as I said, nobody's rushing anywhere. Seems very, very chill. I guess even the people in the cars are not rushing anywhere because there's a traffic jam, so even if they try it, they're not going to get anywhere. Yeah, so I think we're gonna end the walk somewhere around here, guys. We actually reached a different part of Sofia right now. Just gonna show you. This is like the little theater district. Right in front of us, the building is the small Capitol Theater, let's say. And we have Teatralna metro station. Teatralna means theater metro station. So yeah, if you're looking to, if you're a theater person and you like watching plays, yeah, definitely get off here and enjoy yourself. So thank you for joining, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Bye.